guys, it is another DIY day, and I'm going to take these picks out of here and I'm going to put in some Christmas picks. I'm not going to do everything on camera because I have to arrange and cut some of the picks that I have, so I'm going to be popping back from time to time. I also cut out Christmas on my Cricut machine, and I am going to lay that across here. I added a little Christmas ornament to the bow, and I'm going to glue it down right on top. I'm going to take this pine cone and I am going to glitter blast it. And what does that mean? After it dries, I'm going to use some gloss finish.
And you found love cuddled up by my side. Christmas lights everywhere you look.
The gloss finish helps the glitter stay on the pine cone.
We wait for all year, and it's finally here. So let the sleigh bells ring. Go ahead, light up your Christmas tree, and let all the angels sing. Oh, what a joy this season brings. And Santa's been working hard all year, and he's finally here, yeah. The cookies baking while Mama's making the same prime rib she makes every Christmas Eve. The snowball fights in the backyard, family laughing, playing cards. There's nowhere else in the world that I'd rather be. It's that time we wait for all year, and it's finally here. So let the sleigh bells ring. Go ahead, light up your Christmas tree, and let all the angels sing. Oh, what a joy this season brings. It's that time we wait for all year. It's that time we wait for all year. Oh, and it's finally here. Ooh, Monday. Ooh, Monday. Ooh, Monday. So let the sleigh bells ring. Go ahead, light up your Christmas tree, and let all the angels sing. Oh, what a joy this season brings. It's that time we wait for all year. It's finally here, yeah. Merry Christmas, everyone. It's finally here. It's finally here. Bundled up, the carriage rides, a newfound love cuddled up by my side. Christmas lights Everywhere you look, this town turns into something out of a storybook. It's that time we wait for all year, and it's finally here. So let the sleigh bells ring. Go ahead, light up your Christmas tree, and let all the angels sing. Oh, what a joy this season brings. And Santa's been working hard all year, and he's finally here, yeah. The cookies.
Thank you guys so much for watching another video. I hope you enjoyed that. If you are not a subscriber, go right ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would appreciate it. And for each and every subscriber that I already have, thank you, thank you, thank you. You know, my channel would not be anything without you guys. And of course, you know, I support you all too. Send up prayers, guys. Keep praying. Keep right on praying, because the prayers of the righteous availeth much. Thank you so much, guys. Be blessed.